This looks like a construction site. I love construction sites. I think the workers may need some help. But first, I have to put on my safety gear. Now I got all my safety gear. Now I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, let me go up on the excavator. Let me remove this big pipe and put it into the dump truck. Oh, the workers may need some help lifting those blocks up there.
There is no one to drive the roller.
Don't worry, guys. I will drive the roller.
We need to load these beams on the loader truck.
Sure thing. I'm gonna come and help. Sure was a fun day helping those workers at the construction site. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.